Today on Mining Minutes Wrap-Up, we'll be taking a look at Barrick and their Pascua-Lama project, how it affects Silver Wheaton, and more coming up. It's been a while since we've last seen each other. Since then, gold's been extremely volatile. Kitco News has been looking at whether it's still sustainable to mine gold in the current price environment. That was a few weeks ago, and that current price environment was $1,300. Obviously, it's dipped lower since then. You have some analysts saying $1,250 is a good zone to mine in. You got Nick Holland, Goldfield CEO, saying $1,500 is sustainable. It's pretty much all over the place. We're going to take a look at silver as well, working on that for you. Anyway, as we move on, we're going to get into Barrick Gold. The world's largest gold producer continues to have an absolutely miserable 2013. The latest came Friday night when Barrick said it expected to take an impairment charge of up to $5.5 billion on the Pascua-Lama project, located along the border of Chile and Argentina. Their stocks have been getting smashed with the revolving door of negativity surrounding the company and massive write-downs looming to the tune of $10 billion, according to TD Securities. Barrick said they will be scaling back capital spending on Pascua-Lama and expect production delays leading into 2016. While the mine has incredible potential with its huge gold and silver resources at cheap cash costs, analysts and experts have been saying the smart decision is to take the hit and drop the project. The company will release its second quarter results August 1st before market open. Sticking with Pascua-Lama, silver streaming company Silver Wheaton has stepped up and extended the completion date by a year to December 31st, 2016 for its silver stream with Pascua-Lama. Silver Wheaton is set to receive 9 million ounces of silver a year from its Pascua-Lama stream. The company is currently receiving streams from 3 Barrick mines, but that ends at the end of 2015. Silver Wheaton said that as long as Pascua-Lama is advancing in construction, the company remains positive on production. Barrick will also have to fork over $625 million of upfront cash, minus silver delivered credits up to the end of 2016 if production isn't met. Nonetheless, Pascua-Lama's delay has forced Silver Wheaton to revise its 2017 production totals to 49 million ounces, down from 53 million ounces of silver in 2017. Mining in South Africa continues to be a winless tug-of-war between unions and mining companies. Despite almost every major politician involved with mining in the country speaking out in hopes of solidifying a toxic situation, there appears to be no end in sight. The latest from the Chamber of Mines in South Africa is that these wage talks and disruptions, especially at this time, will have dire effects on the sector and the country's rating. Major mining companies in the country, such as AngloGold and Goldfields, are represented by the Chamber of Mines. I couldn't tell you what to expect from any of this. Fingers crossed it doesn't regress to last year's tragic, violent labor disputes. We'll wrap it up with 2 Manitoba First Nations groups serving eviction notices to miners they believe are operating illegally on their land. Among the miners served notices were Hudbay Mining by the Matthias Colomb First Nations group. The MCCN had issued 2 previous notices in late January and early March to Hudbay. Not sure what kind of legal power these eviction notices carry, if any, but it may be something to keep an eye on. And that'll do it for this week's Mining Minutes Wrap-Up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to send them to newsfeedback@kitco.com. You can also follow the conversation on Twitter @Alex_Letourneau. Thanks for watching.